Hello everybody, today we are going to study about the dark reaction. Dark reaction of photosynthesis. We have already studied the light reaction. So today we have to study about the dark reaction of photosynthesis. So as the name suggests, dark reaction, this dark reaction is independent of light. It is independent of light. That is why it is known as the dark reaction. And here the products that are formed during the light reaction, such as the ATP and NADPH2, are used for preparation of glucose. The dark reaction is also known as thermochemical reaction. Thermochemical reaction. It is also known as thermochemical reaction, as the name suggests. Thermo stands for heat and chemical. Here the glucose is formed, that is why it is known as a thermochemical reaction. And here the raw material used are raw materials used here are carbon dioxide, ATP and NADPH2. So these are the raw materials that are used for the dark reaction. Now there are three steps of dark reaction. So the first step is carboxylation. Carboxylation is the first step. So as I told you that we are taking CO2 as a raw material for the dark reaction to start. So in this dark reaction, first step is carboxylation, that is the CO2 here. CO2 combines with an acceptor, that is RUBP. This RUBP stands for ribulose bisphosphate. This is an acceptor that accepts the CO2 in presence of Rubisco enzyme. Rubisco. You have to write this Rubisco as it is, as I have written. Rubisco means ribulose 1,5 bisphosphate carboxylase and oxygenase. So the CO2 combines with an acceptor, that is RUBP, ribulose bisphosphate, and in presence of Rubisco enzyme. This Rubisco enzymes stands for ribulose 1,5 bisphosphate carboxylase and oxygenase. And this reaction, this happens in case of the C3 plants. It happens in case of C3 plants. Now what are C3 plants? I'll just draw what happens here. Here when the CO2 combines with this RUBP in presence of Rubisco, the first stable compound formed is of 3 carbon atom. That is why we are calling it as the C3 plants. So in C3 plants, the CO2 acceptor is RUBP in presence of enzyme Rubisco, But there are one more type of plant, C4 plants. What happens in C4 plants? In case of C4 plants, CO2 combines with PEP. PEP stands for phosphoenol pyruvate, and in the presence of enzyme PEPCO. In PEPCO the O is small. Okay, and it also known as or PEPcase. Can write here phosphoenol pyruvic phosphoenol pyruvate carboxylase. This is the enzyme, and it happens in case of C4 plants. Why it is known as C4 plant? Because here the compound that is formed is of 4 carbon. So this is the first step of carboxylation. Now in second, what is the second step? Second step is glucose synthesis. In this step, glucose synthesis occurs, and in third step, the RUBP regeneration takes place. RUBP regeneration occurs, and in case of C3 plants, there is regeneration of RUBP, and in case of C4 plants, there is regeneration of PEP. So we will now see the cycle of this dark reaction. So we'll first discuss the C3 cycle. We are here to discuss the C3 cycle. What happens in the C3 cycle? In C3 cycle, as I told you, this CO2 combines with RUBP in presence of enzyme Rubisco to form the first stable compound, that is phosphoglyceric acid. You can call it PGA, and it is a 3 carbon compound, and here 2 molecules are formed. 2 molecules of phosphoglyceric acid are formed. So this step where CO2 is combining with RUBP, this step is known as the carboxylation. First step, carboxylation. This is the first step. Now what happens in the second step? This phosphoglyceraldehyde undergoes reduction, and from the acid it gets converted into the phosphoglyceraldehyde. 3-phosphoglyceraldehyde, and it is also of 3 carbon, and here 2 molecules are formed. 2 molecules of phosphoglyceraldehyde are formed, and we can call it in short name as PGAL. PAGAL. You can call it PAGAL, and here 2 molecules are formed, and here what happens, there is reduction. So the ATP which is being formed during the light reaction is here consumed. ATP here converted into ADP and IP, and also the NADPH2 that is utilized here is again being converted into NADP+. So here is reduction here occurs. So as I told, so here the phosphoglyceraldehyde is formed. Now what happens, these 2 molecules of phosphoglyceraldehyde are formed. So one molecules moves up and one molecule comes out and forms glucose. And later on it forms sucrose and it is stored as a starch. So the 3-phosphoglycerol is again converted into RUBP. So this step is regeneration, and here ATP is being converted into ADP and IP. So this step is known as the regeneration. The first step was carboxylation. The second step, as I mentioned you earlier also, the second step was glucose synthesis. So here the glucose is being synthesized. Now the third step, as I told you, that was the regeneration of RUBP. So third step is regeneration of RUBP occurs. So this cycle was C3 cycle. This was the C3 cycle, and it is also known as Kelvin-Benson cycle, the scientist who has discovered this cycle. So this was the C3 cycle, where carboxylation, glucose synthesis and regeneration of RUBP occurs, and the main food product of the plant is being formed, that is the glucose. So it was the dark reaction, and that too the C3 cycle. In the next class we will be studying about the C4 cycle. Thank you.